Today I will introduce you CG100 how to do Milage repair. Car bound here, round here. Type is Honda account. This car and the chip number here S6J3001 S6J. Chip number here. We close it. Then we connect our CG100 device. First power, then USB cable. Here, the device version, advanced. Click OK. Close it. We go to instrument page, found the Asian car, Honda, and a counter here. The chip number S6J3001. This one, you can check. Okay, and this place, it means you need to, your CG100 need to be advanced version, then you can use the function. Click next. Here, first is our chip pin diagram. If you have this chip, then you can follow the chip diagram to wiring. And second is our Honda account. This one, the board here, PCB board. And this one is our wiring diagram. You just need to follow the diagram to wiring. It is easy. And the last is our adapter here, BDM at 4 adapter here. Here, our instrument number here, EH5. And you can check our wiring is done. The BDM4 adapter here. Okay. Here, we insert the instrument power. Here you can check. The mileage now is 80888 kilometer here. Okay. Then we connect our BDM adapter to the CG100. Connect it together. Okay, here is the chips. Please save the original date and send it to our export. We will change it for you and send you back. Click start. The device is on communication. You need to do nothing in these steps. Just wait a minute. It will finish by itself, and you must save your original file. Here we do a little tips here. We choose consent. Then here, please save the file before proceeding. Click OK. Steer this page. You must to save it. Then you can do the next steps. Save it. Save file successfully. Click OK. And the tips here. Software does not support the automatic modification of this model. Please send the EEPROM date to the tech support and OK. We click OK. Here, when our tech support send you original file back, you just need to open the original file. We choose 555 this kilometer. Open it. Calculate kilometers field. Click OK. It doesn't matter. The field is here. Opened. We click right. Then still need to wait a minute. OK, writing succeeded. Click OK. And in the instrument here, you can check the kilometer is 555. Means our operation succeeded. OK, then let us try another kilometer. This one. Open it. Same steps just to test the function. Writing succeeded. Click OK. Then let us check the instrument kilometer here. Here you can check 266 kilometer. OK, means our operation succeeded. Marriage repair succeeded. OK, that's all. Thank you.